Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get 10k credit limit with no hard credit check. What you need to do, you need to go to this site, Black Steel, and the website useblacksteel.com. A premium rewards credit card. Get all of the benefits of the top tier credit card with no downsides, no credit checks. They are offering MasterCard and they are not doing in hard to inquiry, but they are using alternative data points to assess your credit. And they have two kinds of card here, standard card and premium card. What you need to do, just type your email here and then click get pre-approved. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you and see you.